Cow. A cow is a domestic and farm animal. It is one of the most useful animals for humans. Cows can be found in many countries around the world. They are raised for dairy milk, meat, and skin. Cows are large animals with four legs, a long tail, and short hair. Their bodies are usually black, white, or brown. Cows are herbivorous, which means they eat plants, especially grass. They drink a lot of water every day to stay healthy. Cows usually live on a farm or in a grassland where there is plenty of food and clean water. They like open areas where they can move freely and graze. Female cows give birth to baby cows called calves once a year. They reproduce by giving birth to live young, not by laying eggs. A cow pregnancy usually lasts about 9 months. Cows are gentle and social animals. They often live together in groups called herds. They are very useful for humans because they provide milk for dairy products such as butter, cheese, and yogurt, and their dung can be used as a natural fertilizer.